Receiving a letter from the IRS can feel overwhelming. It might start with a simple records request or escalate to serious issues like fraud. Understanding tax controversy is crucial for navigating these challenges effectively. Tax controversy encompasses disputes with the IRS, including audits, unpaid taxes, penalties, and even criminal investigations. Knowing this can help you identify and address your specific tax issues. The IRS follows specific rules and procedures for audits, appeals, and collections. Taxpayers are protected under the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, ensuring fair treatment throughout the process. Tax controversy includes audits, proposed adjustments, penalties, and collection actions. Not all disputes involve criminal issues. Most are civil, matters that can escalate if fraud is suspected. Common triggers for tax disputes include being selected for an audit, receiving tax assessments, or accumulating penalties. Understanding these triggers can help you respond effectively. An IRS audit is essentially a verification process. The IRS checks if the numbers on your return are accurate, which can lead to proposed changes or additional tax assessments. During an audit, the IRS can expand its scope, and early statements can influence the outcome. It's crucial to be prepared and responsive to their inquiries. If you disagree with the IRS, you can appeal their decisions. The IRS's Independent Office of Appeals aims to resolve disputes fairly without litigation. The U.S. Tax Court handles many tax disputes, allowing taxpayers to petition before paying disputed amounts. Timing is critical in these cases. Tax debt often leads to collection actions, including liens and levies. Understanding these processes is essential for managing your tax obligations effectively. Taxpayers may explore options like payment plans or offers in compromise to resolve tax debt. Each option has specific requirements and implications. A federal tax lien is a legal claim against property, while a levy is the actual seizure of assets. Taxpayers have rights to request hearings regarding these actions. Collection due process hearings allow taxpayers to contest liens and levies. These hearings can review the appropriateness of collection actions and explore alternatives. Tax debt can sometimes be settled or paid over time, depending on your financial situation and compliance with IRS requirements. An offer in compromise allows taxpayers to settle tax debts for less than owed, but strict eligibility criteria apply. Understanding these can help in negotiations. In joint tax returns, both spouses are liable for the full amount owed, unless relief is granted. Innocent spouse relief can be requested under specific circumstances. Payroll tax issues are taken seriously by the IRS, as withheld taxes are considered trust fund money. This can lead to personal liability for business owners. Criminal tax risk arises when there's evidence of intentional wrongdoing. The IRS Criminal Investigation Division actively pursues tax fraud cases. Foreign account reporting is crucial, as failing to file an FBR can lead to severe penalties. The IRS enforces strict compliance for offshore accounts. Amended returns can correct mistakes, but are not a blanket solution. Timing and the nature of the correction can impact your tax situation significantly. Choosing the right attorney for tax controversy is vital. Their experience should align with your specific tax issue, whether it's an audit, collection, or criminal investigation. Tax controversy covers a wide range of issues, from audits to criminal investigations. Understanding your specific situation is key to finding the right resolution. For many taxpayers, the challenge lies in identifying their specific tax problem. An experienced attorney can help clarify your situation and guide you through the process. Visit ReferU.AI to connect with an attorney who has the right experience for your tax issue. Get matched for free and take the first step toward resolving your tax controversy.
Need an attorney? Court records don't lie. We know who wins. ReferU.AI.